Good morning, children. I am Ami ma'am. Welcome to session 2 of English. In session 1, we had done oral and written revision of blends. Today, we will do the oral and written revision of digraphs. Digraphs are two letters that make one sound. When two sounds are walking, the first one does the talking. For example, this is letter E and this is letter E. Together they make one sound and the sound is E. E. Children, please repeat after me. E. E. Now the first picture. This is the picture of sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Sheep. Now this is the picture of jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. Jeep. This is the picture of bee. B-E-E-B. Bee. Now this picture is of peep. P-E-E-P. Peep. Peep. This picture is of feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. Feet. Digraphs. A-I-C-H-S-H-T-H-W-H-O-O-W-L-L. Children, let's do the oral revision of all the digraphs you have learned in your previous sessions. AI words, and the sound of AI is A. S-T-A-I-R-S, stairs. R-A-I-N, rain. H-A-I-R, hair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. T-R-A-I-N, train. Double E words, and the sound of double E is E. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. P-E-E-P, peep. J-E-E-P, jeep. F-E-E-T, feet. B-E-E-B. CH is ch. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. C-H-A-I-R, chair. C-H-A-L-K, chalk. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. C-H-A-I-N, chain. S-H words, and the sound of S-H is sh. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-E-L-L, shell. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. S-H-O-E, shoe. S-H-A-R-K, shark. T-H words, and the sound of T-H is th. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. T-H-R-E-E, three. T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. T-H-U-M-B, thumb. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. W-H words, and the sound of W-H is w. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. WHEAT wheat. WHALE whale. WHITE white. WHIP whip. Double O words, and the sound of double O is oo. POOL pool. BOOK book. MOON moon. SPOON spoon. COOK cook. OW words, and the sound of OW is O. CROW crow. BOW bow. DOWN down. BLOW blow. CROWN crown. Double L words, and the sound of double L is L. HILL hill. SMELL smell. BELL bell. BALL ball. DOLL doll. Now children, open your English notebook and we will write some blends which we have learned in previous sessions. Children, today we will do the written revision of digraphs. First we will write the date. In the margin 1818.2.21. Let's write the title. Leave 4-finger space. Capital R E V I S I O N. Revision. Now let's draw 2 lines. 1, 2. Now we will write the first digraph. The first word, cherry. The first word, cherry. 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 The second word, shirt. 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 Next word, bee. 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 Now smell. 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 Next word, moon. 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 Now crown. 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 Next is rain. 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 Next word, thumb. 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 Now white. 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 Children, I hope you all have written it neatly. So children, let's read all the words once again. CHERRY. cherry. SHIRT shirt. BEEB SMELL smell. MOON moon. CROWN crown. RAIN rain. THUMB thumb. WHITE white. So children, in this way you have to write all these words in 1 and 2 columns in your English notebook. Keep revising blends and digraphs. Till then, bye-bye.